This video tutorial is about a trick on how to reduce the amount of time in rendering an image in perspective created in LUMION. One way to reduce it is by removing this effect, which is the skylight effect. This effect when used in our settings will enhance our image quality, but also it will affect the rendering time significantly. So let us try to render this image with skylight effect. The rendering will take a bit time to finish, so let us fast forward it. As you can see, the image was rendered at about 148 seconds. Now let us try to render the same image view, but this time, let us remove the skylight effect. Let's just wait till the rendering is completed. As you can see, the rendering was completed in just 106 seconds, 42 seconds less than with skylight effect. So basically, rendering without skylight effect will save us time for about 30%. So this is more effective if we are doing large-scale projects or rendering a movie clip, especially if time is our priority. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video.